All right, we out here today on the Heart Lake. We're gonna see if we can't catch some fish. It just stopped raining, so the water's high. It's a little murky. It's 45 degrees right now. See if we can't get some fish. Got one. Yeah. He's pulling drag, Sean. This is a good one. Woo-hoo! Oh, this is a good one. Oh my gosh. This is a really good fish. Wow, that was good. Just tossing that jig over in that corner over there. Just got this 3-pound bass right here. Looking good. Little pregnant right there, huh? Just got a little bit there. We're just gonna get a release on that. Going off. I caught that fish on a jig. This one right here. It's a little bit of a pumpkin jig. Just slow rolling it. Just slow rolling it on the ground. Let's see if we can't get some more. Well, wasn't recording. Little small bass right there. Sniped him right over here on the bank right down there. Just got him on the jig, just slow rolling it. Please grow up to be a big bass. Just be a big giant bass, please. I will catch you one day. You're gonna be my PB. Got one. What? Got one. Second try, dude. He hit it, and then I pulled it right out of his mouth. Now I got him again. He's a feisty one. Oh, choked it. That's what you want to see right there. Nice little bass right there. Doing bass things. Let's put him back. Got one. Right, I saw that brush right there and I said, there's gotta be one in there. Barely hooked, just skin hooked. Got me a nice one. That's what, the 4th one of the day? It's number 4 of the day. It's got a good old mouth to him. Caught them right over on that brush right there. It was too good for them not to be back there. So let's go ahead and release this bad boy. See you, Buster. Got one. Oh. Got a little jumping action, huh? Oh, jumpy. Fifth fish of the day. Another nice bass right there. This is a good one. We got a nice 2-pound bass right there, baby. 2.9. Gone, just like that. Got one. Oh, it's the smallest fish in the pond. A dink. Mr. Dink. Woo! Oh. See you, big fella. Oh, got me wet. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Back to back. Sean, this is absurd. Huh? I know, you want it? Bass number 7. Oh, there's a fish. Just busted over there. Oh my gosh. This is the most pale fish I've ever seen. It's almost gray. Look at it, Sean. Look how white this fish is. This is weird. You need to get out in the sun more, bud. Alrighty. See you in another lifetime, mate. This water is so warm, it's unbelievable. Ooh. Sean got one. There it is. I got that on video.
Ooh, this fish is actually extremely warm.
I know, it is warm. Every single fish that I caught was warm. Let's get a release. Good job, Sean.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, that fish was a 3.5 pound fish.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Bubba came grabbing around here.
He did? I have one. That was the softest bite I've ever felt in my entire life. It's so small, isn't it? I haven't even seen it. That's what I call a quick release. I landed him, technically. I'm peeing. Got one? There we go, Sean. Good. Think it's the 4-pounder that I caught over here. Oh my gosh. Sean. Oh! He hit me. I didn't even get my finger in his hand. Or in his mouth.
I should just flip him.
No, he was skin hooked.
Really?
And right when I saw it, I tried to get because I was gonna help you flip him up, but I was not about to flip him. Dude, I'm so sorry.
You're fine.
I got my finger up to there. Right when I saw that, the bait hit me in the face. It hit me right here. Yeah. Is there a mark right on my eyebrow?
No, you're good.
the hook didn't get me, it was the weight. It was what, I was like, ah. Got one. It's a small one. Got one with the chatterbait. Just a little, probably 1 pound, pound and a half, but it's a fish.
Oh, we saw, dude.
Okay, anything you want to say?
It was a good day on the water. It was a little slow for me, but kid behind the camera was freaking a monster. Got like 50. And yeah, that's all I've got to say. It's a good day.
My thumb is all kinds of messed up. I don't know if you can see that. It's out of focus. Doesn't matter. Today was a very fun day. It was a cold day. It was 45 degrees, but the water temperature was...
It was like 60. It was
really
warm. Yeah.
So the jig was definitely the highlight of... was definitely the best bait of the day.
Mm-hmm.
It was a slow-moving bait. I messed up not landing his fish. It was probably a 4 or 5 pound fish. That thing was, it was that big. I don't know how much of the video you can see, but I had my finger up to about here in its mouth, and then all of a sudden it shook, bait went flying, hit me right in the eyebrow, and then fish was gone. It was just kind of like a slap in the face. But, you know, that happens. We're gonna call that one John. That one's gonna be John. He got away from me earlier. That big fish got away from me earlier, so that's John. And John got away from us once again. But hopefully next time we come back out here, we'll catch John. And I'll see you on another episode of Goons TV.